Welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Bee. So, in today's video, I'm gonna unbox this package from Amazon, which I ordered on 14th of January and it arrived today in the morning. So, let's get started. So guys, this is the package which I ordered from Amazon. This package contains the Foolzy 24 set makeup brushes in white color, which I wanted for so long and I just ordered it. So before unboxing this package, I just want to share some issue with you guys. I just wanted to share an issue which I faced from ordering from Flipkart, that when I ordered these pink set 24 makeup brushes from Flipkart, I didn't see the brand, I just ordered them, and when it arrived it came in these black wooden ones which I didn't even wanted and didn't even ordered. So I just got them replaced because I was so annoyed. Then when the replaced item got delivered at my home, it came again in the same package, again that wooden ones. And after getting disgusted, I just got them cancelled and get them refunded. And the next day, I ordered these brushes from Amazon, and it came perfect at the first go. So my advice to you is that before ordering brushes, look the brand from which you are ordering, like Foolzy, Pune Store, etc. Don't ever order from the names or the company which you don't know or which you don't haven't seen any review of. So let's start unboxing this package. The brushes came in this cartoon box, wrapped in this plastic cover. And this leather pouch which has the Foolzy brand name on it. They look so cool and classy. These all brushes are of metal handled. And the brand name is given on these brushes. Only the one thing I didn't like, that the use of these brushes are not given below on the handle. So all of these brushes came in this plastic wrapper to protect these brushes from any kind of destroyment. The first brush is this fan brush, the large fan brush, and it has the hard plastic on the top to shape it and keep it in shape. And the fan brush is for highlighting your cheekbone, or it is a multi-purpose brush, so you can apply your contour and your bronzer, but I use it for highlighting my cheekbone. Then the next brush is this powder brush. It too came with the hard plastic wrapper, and I want to tell you guys that this brush is so good for powdering. It is edgy and pointed, so you can apply a powder under your eyes, or you can also remove the excess makeup from this brush. And these brushes are so soft to use. I personally haven't used any of these brushes yet, but you can comment in the comment section below to see a makeup video using these brushes. The next brush is this blush brush to add some color to your cheek. And applying your blusher. The next brush is this contour brush, contouring your face, your nose, your forehead. You can apply a bronzer also with this brush. They have all these brushes have synthetic hair on them. The next brush is this small powder brush to apply powder on the small areas and also to conceal your under eye and conceal. The next brush is this foundation brush to blend your foundation and apply your foundation and paint it on your face. A flat brush. The next brush is the eyeshadow brush, a flat eyeshadow brush to tap it on your eyeshadow on your eyes. This is the blending brush to blend it on your crease. Next again is this flat brush to apply the powder or eyeshadow, a large one. This is the small eyeshadow brush. This is too flat, but to apply eyeshadow on the inner corners or smaller areas. This one is the angular brush to contour your eyes. The angular brush. Next one is the small eyeshadow brush. Again, it is flat brush. This brush is this detailed concealer brush to apply concealer on your pimples or any marks to cover them. The detailed concealer brush. A small concealer brush to apply concealer on the smaller areas of your face. This is the lip liner brush to apply your lipstick, any kind of lipstick. This is the eyeliner brush, the flat eyeliner brush. The eyebrow brush, angular eyebrow brush. Again the eyebrow filling brush. This is the smudge brush to smudge your kajal and make the eye smoky eye. The sponge applicator brush from which you can apply any glitter eyeshadow and just tap it on your eyelid. This is the thin eyeliner brush. Thin eyeliner brush. This is kind of angular. This is the small fan brush to apply highlight to your nose, to your upper lips, to your chin. This is the eyebrow spoolie to just comb your eyebrow and make it look good. And the last brush is this. It is not coming out. Not coming out. So hard to pull it. So this is the eyebrow and eyelash brush to comb it. So these are the 24 makeup brushes from Foolzy. And if you want to order these brushes, you can see in the description. I have given the link below to order these brushes. And yeah, I will use these brushes super soon. If you like my video, you can hit the subscribe button below and do comment in the comment section if you want to see makeup from using these brushes. And do like and share, and I will soon come with a new video, most probably a makeup video using these brushes. So yeah, subscribe, like and share. Thank you guys.